In this video, we'll show you how you can broadcast heart rate data during activity from your Garmin Instinct to another Garmin device, such as Garmin Edge if you're doing some road cycling, or if you're doing some mountain biking, you happen to have a GPSMAP 66st, you can display the heart rate data on that. Let's say this is mounted on your handlebars. So to get started here, we're going to get down from our Instinct to our heart rate widget, and we're going to press and hold the menu button, get down to our heart rate options, press the GPS, and from here, very simply, we can just broadcast heart rate. And you can see here, now we have the icon, it says that we're transmitting. So we're just going to put this here for a second. And now on our MAP 66, what we're going to do here is we're going to get to our system settings, and we're going to actually get down to our sensor, and we're going to choose heart rate monitor, and we're going to search for new. And now we have connected. And now what we're going to do here, now I've done this step previously, but we'll cover this in another video. What I did here, I just copied or created a brand new profile. I'll call it Profile 8. Profile is basically when you specify or customize display screens and data fields for you depending on your activity. But here we're going to change our profile to our Profile 8. For example, you get different profiles, but just show you for example here. And we're going to flip over to our compass page, and you can see here I got one data field that shows the heart rate. So now I'm just going to get the heart rate going here, and it should display a heart rate into the data field. And there you go. Here's our heart rate. Maybe there's a little bit of a delay here from the looks of it. You can tell I'm so excited from this activity. Heart rate increases. But basically, to stop the broadcast, all we have to do here is press the GPS button and then exit the broadcast mode, and we'll select yes, turn that off. Now we're no longer broadcasting. And this field now is blank. And at this point, you can see we have the icon on our GPS device. All we need to do now is just go back to our device, to our main menu here, and go into our setup, sensors, and turn off. And there you go. That is quickly how you can broadcast heart rate data from your Garmin Instinct to another Garmin device.